Hey, what's up, Vibes family? As you know, today is Friday, July 12th, 2024. And what that means that today was the day that Rygin King was supposed to appear in the Queens Criminal Supreme Court in New York City to face charges of weapons possession, ammunition feeding device, and possession of a loaded firearm. The Queens Criminal Supreme Court, as you could see in this picture, is located on Queens Boulevard in Queens, New York. Now, the car that Rygin King was traveling in, along with 4 other occupants, was stopped by members of the NYPD in what's called Operation Midnight Public Safety. Now, the team from the 113th Precinct pulled over the vehicle at 179th Street and 114 Road, and that's in the Jamaica section of Queens. During a search of the car, a loaded 9mm Palmetto handgun was recovered in the front of the vehicle where Rygin King was a passenger. Also ammunition and ammunition feeding device, and the gun was also loaded. Now, all the occupants in the car were subsequently arrested and charged, and the driver was also charged with vehicle and driver's license violations. One thing I would like to state is, when they was talking about how he got a court-appointed lawyer, in the state of New York, when you get arrested, you know your rights, right? You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, then one will be provided for you. Now, the thing is, if Rygin King was visiting from Florida, wherever he came from, and even if he had his lawyer card on him, that doesn't mean the police at the precinct is going to give him a phone call. He'd have to wait till he get into court and all that stuff, and then he know what his charges, and then if he get to the precinct and get released, then he'd be able to make a phone call. You know what I'm saying? One thing the police don't really do is make you make no phone call. You know what I'm saying? If an officer want to do that, they do that out of the kindness of their heart. You know what I'm saying? But not all police officers does that. So that's one thing I want to set the record straight. So if he do gets out after he go through the arraignment, which was supposed to be today, then he get to contact his lawyer. If his lawyer is in Florida and his lawyer want to take the case, then his lawyer will probably make a phone call to one of his law partners in New York, because a lot of lawyers that practice law in New York also practices law in other different states. So, that's how that go, people, and I just wanted to point that out to y'all. Well, we're still waiting for updated information, and as soon as we get updated information, I'll definitely pass that on to y'all. The only thing right now, Vibes family, let's hope that the situation isn't worse than what we have heard or seen, and that it could be some type of good resolvement towards this case. But Rygin King, wish you all the best, man, in this case, man. New York got some of the toughest gun laws in the country, and I hope it work out for you. Now, let me know what you think of this Rygin King situation by leaving a comment in the comment section below. And people, do remember to like the video, people, so that YouTube could send out the video to more people just like yourself. And do give the video a thumbs up. And with that said, I'll check you on my next video.